Dear students, in previous lesson I taught you how to find out ratio of trigonometrical ratios, sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. So here you can test your understanding whether you understood from previous lesson or not. If you will be able to complete this table yourself correctly, it means you have understood the lesson. So here one table is there. For example, sine A, we have to come fill this box. Sine A for angle A, P by H. So for angle A, P is 4. P by H. So P by H you will get 4 by 5. So here if we write sine A is equal to P by H. So now you have to think for angle A which one is P and which one is H. Then only you will fill the correct value. So for this angle A, P is 4 and H is 5. So we will write 4 P by H means 4 by 5. If you take it sine B also this ratio will not change. Here also will be there P by H only. But for this angle P will change. For angle B, P will be 3. 3 by 5 and we will write 3 over 5. Similarly, if you come to this table, so sine A for this angle P will be 9, 9 by 15. So P by H and we will get 9 over 15. For sine B also again it will be P by H, and here for angle B 12 is the perpendicular and H is the hypotenuse. So we will write 12 over 15. Value, you can find out what is the value, numerical value in decimal from calculator. Since you are using calculator, you can find out. Otherwise, you can keep like that. Similarly, if you come to third column, here sine A is equal to, we will write here P by H. And for P, for this angle, P is 15 and 15 by 25. And sine B is equal to 20 by 25. Here you will get 20 over 25 because for angle B 20 is the perpendicular. Similarly, you can fill the cos A. Cos A is equal to B by H. So for both the ratio, for both the angle we can write B by H. Cos A is equal to value you will get cos A B by H. B base is 3, 3 by 5. 3 by 5. And cos B is equal to 4 is the base, 5 is the hypotenuse. We can get here 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Similarly, here you will get cos A is equal to base for A 12 by 15. 12 by 15. And for cos B, we will write B 9 by 15. 9 by 15. Because 9 is the base divided by hypotenuse. B by H. And here 10 cos A for this angle, again we will get for angle A 20 is the base 25. So here again B by H. For cos A you will get 20 by 25. And for B we will write 15 by 25. Ink is not working. Now 10A is equal to P by B. So for A, which one is P? Perpendicular is 4, 4 by 3. We will get 4 by 3. And here also P by B. So you will get for angle B, perpendicular 3 by 4. 3 by 4. In this way, if you come here, you will get P for angle A 9 by 12. 9 by 12. and for angle B you will get 12 by 9. 12 by 9. And here similarly third one, tan A is equal to 15 by 20 and here 20 by 15. In this way you can find out any trigonometrical ratios. Here we have done only sine, cos, tan. You can go for sec and cosec. Sec A, sec B, cosec A, cosec B, cot A, cot B.